All right, next up here, we're going to be trying to find this orange shaded region in this shape. We want to know what is the area of that shaded part. So I need to figure out, well, what's happening in this picture that would give me this orange area here. So I see two circles. I see one big circle, and the area of all of that would be everything inside. But then it's as if we cut out another circle in the middle. So we had a circular cutout. So if I want to find the area of this little rim of orange, this leftover shaded part, I would take the area of the big circle and I would subtract out the smaller circle's area as if I were like physically cutting it out of the paper, and I would be left with just this ring of area. Small circle area. And that'll give me my total shaded area, I should say. So that's the plan. Let's find the area of the big circle. So for area of a circle, I will use the formula pi r squared. And so I need to know what is my big circle's radius. And it looks like in my picture they've labeled 2 radii, but I'm going to be looking for the line that goes from the center to the outside of the big circle, and that's my big radius. So that appears to be 10 inches. So I'll plug in 10 for that one. And when I calculate this in my calculator, we're going for rounded answers. You can do what you've been practicing with, which is just pi times 10 times 10. Or I'll show you little tricks here. We have the pi button. And then you can hit times 10. And then this squared button here, it has an x squared on it. And it gives you a little square on your 10. And you hit it and it'll do the same thing. So I get 314.15. I'm going to round that to 314.2. And give myself some units, squinches. For my small area, my small circles area, I look again for the center to the edge, that radius. And so my area will be pi times radius squared. And this time, the small circle's radius is only 7. And so again, I'll plug that in to my calculator. Pi times 7 squared. 153.9 inches squared. So my shaded area here is going to be as if I took the area of the big circle, that 314.2, and I subtracted out the area of the middle circle, the smaller one, and I'll end up with an area of, if I subtract the 2 in my calculator, I end up with an area of 160.3 squinches left. And that is the area just inside this shaded ring, that little donut. All right, got one more problem for us to look at.